She was like, oh my god, I love your hair. And I was like, oh my god, I love yours too.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Thanks so much for asking. Means a lot to me. Good morning. It's Thursday. This is my son. Hello, son.
Hello, Father.
It is so good to see you today.
Yes, Father.
Welcome to Thursday. You're my favorite.
I know.
Anyway, hi. Hey, I just got the idea. I was thinking about the last vlog that I uploaded. Thank you for all of the well wishes and stuff from people as we kind of talked about things. We even got some text messages from some friends like, hey guys, just really checking on you, man. And that was cool. So thank you. Yes, life is stressful, but it's a season. And this season sucks. This is season, season 18? Episode 47. Carry the 8. Give me a number. 27. And it sucks. Anyway, hope you're doing well. We've got up our Christmas tree. We officially have our lights on the house and stuff. We were in a place where we were not going to do all of that for a little while. Expedition is up and running. That was about $800. So you can see it over there. Check this out. It's cold today, guys. So cars are iced over. I swear that smoke is normal right now, but it's not another issue. But it's running good. Everything's up and running. Ian's got strategic gaming to go to this morning, right?
Yeah.
Can I see your shirt? It's an old school Vision shirt. I like that. All right, dude. Love you, buddy. Have a good day. I'll see you after school. All right? Good talk. Good talk. So I'm believing that 2024 is going to be a great year. Not just for the Neverlanders, but for you too. Things can change for all of us in a good way. I just got a feeling. I got a feeling. We got one more year of bullshit Joe Biden. So I guess things could go really bad. You never know. But but listen, I'm going to start putting it out there. Things are going to change. Things are going to change. It's going to be good. And, you know, whether we stay here or we move, it's all going to be good. So, yeah, that's the plan. I'm waiting on Harlow to come downstairs. That's the way the car's running. Get the heater going. And yeah, start the day. All right, you ready for the schools?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Cold.
It is cold. Okay. Come on.
There's ice in the car.
Ah, yeah. It is cold. All right, here's your backpack.
Thank you.
There's still ice on the windows. See all that ice up there. Oh, I'll pull up and shut the door. Here we go, starting the day. Oh! What degrees? It says it is 29 degrees. It'll warm up, but I think it's only gonna be like 50 degrees or something like that today, so. All right, I love you. Let's go have a good day, okay? Yes. Hi. Hi. We got this new place by us called 7 Brew. It's delicious. And honestly, you guys know Chris and I love coffee. That's not a secret, right? I really like 7 Brew. I'm sure this shit is chock full of an insane amount of calories. I don't care. It's the holidays. We get to do what we want around here right now, okay? I'm doing some sit-ups and push-ups around the house. Give me a break. I know, it's out of control, but I listen, I love me. And that's what's important. This is her first time backing up, I think. Why is she braking so hard? Sheesh. Don't hit the front of my car, lady. So, Chris and I are out right now doing Christmas shopping 2 weekends before Christmas, which is the dumbest shit ever. That's the worst time. It's the worst time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Going in these stores right now is crazy. And we literally pulled out of the driveway and looked at each other and I said, let's remember it's going to be crazy out there. So, patience is key today. And 7 Brew coffee. I love my wife like so much. She puts up with my shit. I'm a bit of a weirdo. No more so than, you know. No, that's a lie. I'm definitely at a higher degree than most other weirdos. She knew that. She knew what she was getting herself into. All right, so if I haven't said, this is a different day. This vlog started with, well, I think it was Thursday. Today's Saturday. But the intent was to vlog on that day, and we didn't. Life has been crazy lately, which you guys are aware of. If this is your first time here, hi. We're weird, but I wanted to pick the camera up today and get you guys some content. Because I don't like to have nothing. But we're going to have a lot more Disney stuff coming up here soon. We're going to be heading down to Florida. And I guess next weekend. So that's going to be fun. We're going to go do, this is Kristen and this is our Christmas present, being down there together. So we're excited about that. But anywho, here's to a good day. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, I got to unlock.
Well,
Hi.
if I ever needed to, what?
What?
Hi. I was just going to say that if I ever needed to or wanted to work at Carter's or any of the companies that are like associated with it,
Yeah.
the girl that helped me had half green, half purple hair.
Oh, no shit. Was she like, oh, hey, dude, I like your hair?
She was like, oh my God, I love your hair. And I was like, oh my God, I love yours too.
Did you exchange phone numbers and you guys are BFFs now?
No, she's much younger than me, but
Did
I
you
was
tell
like,
her about 7B coffee?
no,
I did. I vlogged about it. She's delicious.
it's not 7B, it's 7 Brew.
Well, I know. I said,
you're-
but look at the logo.
I know,
is
it's a 7B.
And then it's written out, 7 Brew.
I know, it's delicious. It's sad because it's almost gone.
Let me see. Yeah, I am drinking mine slow. I told Kristen that I was going to drink mine slow because we're out in public and coffee makes you poop. And so if I drink it fast,
You would be pooping.
Hi. It's another day. I'm sorry, we're not very good at this whole vlogging thing. I'm trying though. I'm really trying. I'm spitting. It's early morning. I haven't had any coffee. The sunroof won't open. It's so cold. Let's see if it'll open now. No. Yeah, the car is frozen, and it was hard opening the door. It's cold today, guys. I think it was like, I don't know. It's cold. It was in cold degrees. It was in that area where it's like, wow, my nipples hurt. That's where we were. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up though. This is another day, and I'd like to upload what I've done already. It's Monday. I think I started doing this on Thursday, maybe. But yeah, look, just wanted to say I love you. I wish we could get married, but I'm married already. I don't let Kristen know. She'd be upset. Anyway, have a good week this week. I'm gonna try and do some other like vlogging type stuff. Yeah. Okay. That's a great ending.